How to add logo to Google Business Profile. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you and teaching you how you can add logo to Google Business Profile. Now your logo is what can be used to identify you or to distinguish you amongst your competitors. So it is very important for you to add your logo to your Google Business account. And then how do you do this? It's very simple. Log into your Google Business account, and then once you're logged in, you'll take it to a page where you'll see your other tools such as edit profile, rate reviews, messages, add photo, performance, advertise, manage photo, updates, Q&A, etc. And then once you've seen this, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see three article dots. Once you see this, click on it. And then here you can also carry out other function on your Google business. Now to be able to add a logo, the next step is to locate the add photo option, which is located next to the messages option. Once you see it, click on it. And once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, you'll see options like photo, logo, cover photo. Then go ahead and click on logo. Now, once you click on logo, you see the option add logo. Now you can add this logo by dragging the photo into this selected box or by clicking on select photo. Just click on select photo, you will be redirected to your device's files. The next step is to locate the logo that you set apart for your Google Business account. And then once you've located it, click on it and then upload it. And just like that, it will be added to your Google Business account. It is very quick and easy. Try it out today. Thanks for watching.